Hello and welcome back. There's a certain kind of magic that only a truly luxurious space can create. A white living room, pure, pristine, and powerful, becomes more than just a room. It becomes a statement of elegance and possibility. Every detail, from the polished marble floors to the soaring ceilings, is a deliberate whisper of sophistication. A modern masterpiece wrapped in timeless beauty, designed to elevate everyday living into an art form. In this space, white isn't just a color. It's a canvas, a reflection of light, luxury, and the serene power of intentional design. This isn't just decor. It's a feeling, a lifestyle, a daily reminder that your home can be your most beautiful masterpiece. If you believe your home deserves to be a work of art, you're in the right place. I hope that our style fits your home. Subscribe and like for more elegant inspiration, and let's create beauty together. Till next time, thank you. Thank you.